If you think these flowers were hard, stick with me. They're actually so easy. Welcome back, you gorgeous weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm so glad you're here. If you think you can't do floral nail art, you are wrong. And I'm going to show you how to do the easiest, most adorable lily floral nail art ever. I'm using just 3 colors. That's it. I mean, technically 1 color because 2 white and black qualify as colors. I don't know. I'm using a pink, a white, and a black. We're going to start off with 1 coat of this white gel polish from D&D. This is white chalk. I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. This doesn't have to be a perfect, flawless coat because we're going to do one more, but not the way you think we're going to do it. We're going to leave the second coat wet and use it kind of like blooming gel in a way. So if you love the idea of blooming gel, but you don't have it or you don't know how to use it, you don't actually have to because we're going to do something a little bit different. Make sure you're covering up your palette when you're curing. Just a side note, you don't want to cure this onto your palette. So that has been cured for 30 seconds. Now we're going to go in with coat number 2. This is going to be the final coat of white. So this one, you definitely want to make sure you're covering the entire nail. You're smoothing out any unevenness in that coat. This final coat is going to give movement to what we're going to do on top of it. But of course, as with all gel polish products, you don't want to apply this super thick. You want to keep your layers nice and thin. That way it cures evenly and completely later when we put it into the lamp. So once you have your coat done, I'm going to grab up a dotting tool and I'm going to take that pink and I'm going to place 5 dots in a flower formation in that wet white gel polish. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how are these 5 dots going to transform into these lilies? And the answer is really easily. I'm going to go ahead and clean off that end of my dotting tool because I don't want to blend colors together. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of that white and put a dot of white in the middle. Again, this is going to increase the amount of movement and fluidity that we have to these dots that we have around that white dot. Now I'm going to grab up an orange wood stick. You can use a toothpick, and I'm going to drag the white in the center through each one of those pink dots, extending it out just a little bit, and that's going to start giving shape to this lily. Now, if you like this, you can totally stop here. It's giving like Hawaiian hibiscus flower, but if you want to add even more detail, you can take that same orange wood stick or toothpick and just barely drag out the bottom of those dots into the white and look at that stargazer lily we just created. It's so darling and adorable. I'm going to go ahead and cure it right away. Make sure that is not going anywhere. And then I'm going to add little bitty black dot details to the center of that lily. And that's literally it. This is how easy it is to create these beautiful lilies. So if you think, again, that you cannot do floral nail art, yes, the heck you can. And of course, you can do this matte or glossy in so many different colors or color combinations. The possibilities are endless. For me, I find that nail art like this just looks, and for me, photographs the best with a matte top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and throw my Model 1's HEMA-free, no-wipe matte gel top coat over top. But again, if you are a glossy girl and you want to gloss these up, feel free to use your favorite glossy gel top coat. If you're wondering if this can be done with regular nail polish, absolutely it can. You're going to do the same exact thing that I just did, except you're not going to use gel. You're going to use regular polish and you don't have to worry about curing it. So here is what the finished nail looks like. I was not going to do a full set with this design, but after I saw it mattified, I'm like, you know what? I think this needs to be a full set. So here is what I did, and I'm literally obsessed. I cannot get over how easy and gorgeous these flowers are. I cannot wait for you guys to try these. If you do, let me know. Report back because I want to see all of your beautiful lily nails. If you're not in my Facebook group, hop over, post your photos. I can't wait to see them. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Let me know down below what you think. Thank you for spending some of your day with me today. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.